Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a simple sheet metal practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Now here take the line command. First we are going to make the rough profile. Okay, till here. Escape. Now take the vertical constraint, select the center point and select center point of this line. This green point will be the center point of the line. Now go to dimension. Define this height here as 50 mm. Okay, and this width also 50. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint. Select this base point and select the center point. Now this is fully constrained. Okay, escape. Now here you can see. Okay, this is still moving. So go to horizontal constraint once again. Select this point and select this point. Now escape. Now go to sheet metal and take the counter flange. Rotate the profile to home. Here we are going to take a flange of 40 mm and we will take a mid plane flange. Okay, now press OK. So this will be the profile. Now here we are having this L bending and this mounting profile and mounting profile at top. Okay, so for the L bending, go to flange, select this edge, and here we are going to define the distance as 20 mm. Okay, rotate the profile, go to edge selection and select this outer edge, this side as well, and press apply. Okay, now select this top edge and here this is going upward, so we'll change the flange angle to 0 degree. Okay, and here we will define it as 15 mm length. Now go to more settings. From here we will define the width. We are taking a width of 10 mm. Okay, from center. Okay, and press OK. Okay, the same settings we are going to do this side also. First, go to the corner round. Here we are going to take a radius of 5. Go to corner selection, select this edge and select this edge. Okay, press OK and select this face. Go to create sketch. Here go to circle command and define the radius diameter here of 5 mm. Now go to sheet metal, take cut. So this will cut this circle. Now press OK. Now here we have to define the sheet metal thickness as well. So go to sheet metal defaults. From here we will take a thickness of 1.5 mm and apply. Okay, you can see the changes. Now here I want this same profile this side also. So go to mirror command, select this flange 2, corner round 1 and cut 1. Go to mirror plane, go to origin and select the YZ plane. Rotate. Same profile will be generated this side and press OK. Okay. Now here go to part 1. We want this profile at top end also. So go to flange once again. Select this top edge and this time we are going to take an angle of 90 degree. Okay. The flange height will be 15. Go to more settings. From here we will take width and this will be at center. The width will be of 10 mm and press OK. Okay. So now go to corner round. Take here a 5 mm radius. Select this edge, select this, press OK. Now select this face and take a create sketch. Now go to the circle command. From the center point on this, we are going to make a circle of diameter 5. Go to sheet metal, take cut, rotate the profile. So it will automatically select the profile. Okay, press OK. Now we will mirror this. So go to mirror, select this flange 3, corner round 2 and cut 2, mirror plane and select the XY plane. Now press OK. Now the last command which is left is go to part 1, this whole profile. Okay. Now go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and we are going to make this circle at center point. Okay. Take a circle of diameter 15. Okay. Now go to dimension or simply go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select center point of circle. Now go to horizontal constraint, select center point here and select the center point. Okay. Go to sheet metal or go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile and here we will take all. So this will be a cut profile. Okay. Now press OK. Now here we have to make a flat pattern of this. So create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this profile. Okay. Now go back to the folded part. Now we will define the appearance. So from here we are going to take the aluminum polished. Take aluminum polished. Okay. So this will be the profile. Okay. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.